Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Rebel Tech channel. Today I'm very excited to unbox my very first, no, actually very second drone, DJI Mini SE. I've gotten this a week ago, but I've yet to unbox. I'm like waiting, patiently to do the unboxing video. Why I purchased the drone? I'll be traveling to do content, tech content mainly, and some other content as well. So this drone will serve a great purpose for my videos. I've done a lot of research and I've chosen the Mini SE because it's lightweight and there are restrictions from where I'm from. There are fly zones that you would have to go and play the drone or test out your drone. I'm not going to be flying this drone today. You will see this in my future travel videos. I'll be traveling in January. Expect some cool and great content. I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Mini SE now. I'm not going to be going in depth because, to be honest, I'm very much new to this. Okay, let's check the specs. This is ultralight, just weighing 249 grams. Distance is 213 millimeters. Maximum takeoff altitude 3000 meters. Flight time, maximum flight time 30 minutes, depending on conditions. Okay, 30 minutes is more than enough for me. We have the gimbal as well. This has the stabilizer. The camera is 12 megapixel. Okay, video resolution is 2.7K. 2720 by 1530, 24, 25 and 30 frames per second. Okay, full HD is 1920 by 1080, 24, 25, 30, 48, 60 frames per second. Video format obviously MP4. Battery capacity is 2600 mAh. Now I'm gonna unbox this. Where do I start? I've waited patiently for a week. Alright, it's out. And of course, I was reminded to register the drone for the warranty. You do not need to register the authorities. There's no registration needed. Okay, it should be this way. Okay, whoa, look at that. That's the drone. Okay, what's inside? Okay, controller. Okay, what's inside? You have the remote control. Again, I've never used the DJI before, so this is my first. This is it. This is the baby. Go. Seals are off. Whoa. No, I don't want to damage this before doing anything, but it should be fine. Pretty nerve-wracking. Oh, that's how it. Okay, that's the drone. Okay, so should I? Okay, yep. Should take the cover. Okay, this part. Type-C charger. This is where you put your SD card here. This is how the drone looks like. Okay, this is what I love to see. This silicone gel. You have the manuals and what's this? I think this should be the charger. So this is safe to carry on flight. You have the propeller as well.
just in case if any of your propellers are damaged. You have like two sets propellers. That's it. Okay. And you have the yada. What's inside? Screwdriver. And you have the connector for Android phone with USB-C. Okay, you have all the cables to connect to the remote control. USB-C. I might need to charge because there's no juice. I'm gonna be testing it in my future videos anyway, so you'll be seeing me use this often. Alright, this is my first ever drone. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on TikTok as well, because I'll be uploading a lot of like TikTok videos. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Thank you.